Course announcements are a pretty important part of an online class. They're a way to sort of get out your basic information, like we're going to meet here in this room, or this is the book we're going to use, or I'm going to be late for class today, or don't forget to do your assignment. That's your presentations are due, and it can also be used to sort of show a little bit of yourself to the class, to make it a little bit more personable, especially if these are people you're never going to be seeing. So they're pretty handy and they're really easy to use. So here's the class, a class shell, and course announcements is right up on top. And of course, if you looked at the other videos, you could see how to put it on top if it isn't. Now to make one, you hit the little pencil to edit, and I'm going to go up here, add announcement, and here's your little standard text box where you can type something in. Now, I'm going to just sort of paste something in, like the cooking shows as far as time goes, just make it quick. So there's something right there. Hello, welcome to Com 342, see you in class soon. And in the words of the great Ron Burgundy, Cannonball. A little funny thing from a movie, and I thought I'd put it in there. So we can also change this. We can say I want the format of this to be header, so it's a lot bigger, so it's like it's going to pop. Made this red. I can make this any other color I wanted, just like changing it. Maybe I'll make it burgundy. How's that? Get it? Ron Burgundy. So there it is. And I can change the dates and the times I want these. So the class doesn't really, it's the 16th now, the class doesn't start for a while. So let's just say I'll just change the date to whatever here, and I want it to turn off in September 17th, let's say. I can choose that I want it to be the first post, but although default it'll just put it the first post. I can also choose who I want to see it, but usually announcements you want everyone to see. So I hit OK. And here it is right there. If I hit Exit Announcement Editor, it doesn't show up. That's very strange. And I did that on purpose to show you. Why it didn't show up is because I set the date for September 15th. So let's bring it back to August so we can take a look at it. And then hit save. That's funny. And now if I leave the editor, there it is. Okay, so don't be confused if you set the wrong dates and you can't see it. It'll fire when it's going to fire. But for purposes showing you how to do it, I should probably set it today so you can see it. So there it is. Now, there's a couple of little neat things you can do to even make these posts more personable and sort of more interesting for your students. Now that we have it here, we can actually edit it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and edit this. Let's say you needed to make a change or whatnot. But for this change, I'm actually going to add an image, because you can add images to these. And it's just like in adding any other thing to Angel. You just go to your toolbar up here. I'm going to go to Insert Image. I'm going to browse the server. I'm going to browse Files. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to upload it. And then I'm going to select it. It puts it in the post, and I hit OK. I click Save, Exit Announcement Area, and there it shows up. So a little bit of funny, little personable touch, and it was pretty easy to do. Now another really cool thing you can do is, and I'm going to edit this again. I'm going to edit the post, and I'm actually going to get rid of that image. And I'm going to put a video in. So it could be a funny video like this, or it could be an informational video for an announcement, or it could be you recording yourself and then uploading it as a video announcement. You can go to, I'm going to add one from Google, but you would add one just like any other way you would add video to Angel, and there's other videos on the site on how to do that. But I'm just going to go through Google because this is a clip I saw on YouTube. So you click on this little arrow next to the G, Google Media. I'm going to type in Ron Burgundy. It's already there. And I'm going to go to it. And then you can preview it, but I know it's this one, so I click Embed. I hit Save. I exit the area. And then there's the video. And if I played it, it would play for the world.